You're live.
All right, I just want to do a quick video and show you how to handle these. Opening the case, it's pretty simple. Push down on the top. It's gonna pop up because there's a lot of compression inside. Push it down, these will flop open. Before you unwrap this and do any of this stuff, reach back here, tear open that package, put these white gloves on first. You will get fingerprints on these and they won't look that perfect for a gift. So this will pop open, leave these here. Take the rag out. This is to wipe them off. Don't wipe these with any rag but this. This is very soft and will not scratch them. Remove these spacers. Grab this and this. They're heavy. This is about 10 pounds, actually probably more. Lift it up carefully. Set it wherever it's gonna go and it's done. If you're gonna take all these out at once for any reason, if you're just gonna do one at a time, obviously they're very easy to lift off and set them down. If you're gonna take them all out and spread them on a table, I would use both hands, reach from the side, lift up slowly with your gloves on, and spread them out wherever you're gonna spread them out. Put it back in the case, it's the opposite. So if you're storing this case, just fold this up, throw the stuff in there, and keep it locked away wherever you're gonna keep it. If you have to put them back in the case for a reason, you're gonna take them to an event or whatever, wear your gloves. I keep my fingers on these posts so I don't scratch the coaster to the base. These coasters have rubber feet on the bottom so they don't scratch any surface. The base has the same feet on the bottom as well. So that will not scratch your table. Here we go. Beautiful. Put this in to the left. If you're not going to put the rag in there, then center. If you're going to put the rag in, put it to the left. Grab these two. Like I said, this is heavy. Put it about a ½ inch from this edge. Take these spacers. Put them here like this. This creates compression down so the coasters don't flop around when they're inside the case. So just push it down. Fold this over. Fold this over. Put your towel in here nice and neat. Keep pressure. There's a 2-inch piece of foam at the bottom, so keep it secure. And just push it down. To do it, you've got to push this silver handle down to get it up over there. Now it's locked in. Boom, now you're done. If you ever forget my phone number, it's right here in the bottom of the case. So welcome to the nicest coasters on planet Earth. Thank you.